Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your Earbuds SOUNDCORE C40i on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store and now go to the search. Click at the search line at the top and write SOUNDCORE. Now search. And you should install this application. Now open it. If you need notification, click Allow. If you don't need it, click Do Not Allow. Then go to Agree and Continue. And right here you can sign in into your account or create a new one. At the right top we can select a region, but I'm going to skip it. Then click at Device and allow it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!